Hi, Tanya. This is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. You and I had spoke on the phone yesterday about me sending you a custom video. The reason I wanted to send you this video was to basically show you guys how to bring in more handyman jobs. And I will keep this video really short. I don't want to take up too much of your time. So the three things I wanted to talk to you about are backlinks, citations, and content. So if we come over here to Google and we search for Handyman Tacoma WA, we always see the paid ads. Then we got the map pack. And below that is the organic section. So how you get here at the top of the first page of Google is through something called a backlink. And a backlink, simply put, is just one website linking to another. So we'll plug in your top competitor, Done Right Works. We see that he has 23 referring domains or other websites, giving him 91 backlinks. When we plug you guys in, we see you have 13 referring domains, giving you 27 backlinks. We also see that you're being found for 6 keywords, so we can take a look at those. Oh, it looks like it was only 2. So Prosser Construction, your name, you're in the first position for that. Prosser Inc., you're in the 45th position, about the 4th page for that. So what I really wanted to show you was the search volume for the handyman keywords. So Tacoma Handyman is searched about 300 times a month. Handyman in Tacoma, 250. Handyman Tacoma WA, 150. So you can see there's quite a bit of searches going on every month for people looking for a handyman. And if you're not being found for those, then that's just a lot of business you guys are missing out on. So you definitely want to get found for those. So coming back over to Google, we can talk about citations real quick. Citations come to play here in the map pack. And all a citation is just a business name, an address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. Typically, I'll never see any more than 50 to 60 citations per business, so we always just recommend 2 to 300 just to beat them out by a landslide. Another way you can rank in the top 3 positions of this map pack is to have a really solid description on your Google My Business, to have lots of photos on there, and most importantly, to be getting those 5-star reviews from past and future clients. Because if you do end up here in the top 3, you are competing with Done Right that has 56. So last thing I want to talk to you about is content. When I say content, I just mean all the words on your website and the photos as well. We see you have some content on your home page. And so what Google really likes to see is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on this home page, and then lots of content on your service pages as well. So you just want to get the relevant type of content with the relevant keywords. Just to do a really quick recap for you, you want to beat your competitor out in backlinks. In this case, it'd be probably 150, 200 backlinks pointing back to your website to show Google you are the authority and you deserve to be at the top of that first page. You want to get your Google My Business fully optimized with that description, with lots of photos and those reviews, and then go out and get some citations. And you want to get lots of keyword-rich content on this homepage and on all your back pages with the relevant keywords. All right, Tanya, that's all I have for you. I hope you found this helpful. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to reach back out. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I hope you have a great day.